Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know which one is better for you, Zoho or GoHighLevel, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to make you clear that which one is for you and which one is better for you. Basically, Zoho and GoHighLevel are both powerful platforms, but they are made for different users. Zoho is a big toolbox. It gives you many apps like CRM, emails, invoicing, HR, and project management. You can use what you need and build your own system. It's great for businesses of all sizes, especially if you want full control. And if I talk about GoHighLevel is made for agencies and freelancers or maybe service providers. It gives you tools for client management, funnel, email, SMS marketing, automation, all in one dashboard. GoHighLevel also lets you white label the software and sell services to clients. So if I talk about difference, Zoho is like a collection of apps and GoHighLevel is a ready-made system for marketing and service-based businesses. If you want to customize everything and use many tools, Zoho is better. But if you want all-in-one marketing platform with automation, then GoHighLevel is better choice. So I hope now you understand. Basically, it depends what is your business. Both are powerful. Now, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.